What's up fam, it's your boy Mohamed Safar and we're back with another vlog. Now today I got a very epic vlog for you guys where in a second the homie Sharath is about to pick me up to take us to a place called KAYU. Now KAYU just recently opened, but I've known the chef for a while. He's a good friend and a celebrity chef by the name of Kareem. His stuff is just phenomenal. Honestly, the best desserts I've ever had in my life were done by him. And if you guys don't believe me, you have to go and try it for yourself. Now, I don't want to keep the homie Sharath waiting downstairs, so I have to pick out the shoes really quick and head down for him. I'll see you in a second. What's up, homie? How are you doing?
Nice shirt, bro.
Thanks, bro. This is the homie Sharath. If you guys haven't met him before,
What's up, what's up?
you're not gonna believe what just happened. So I just called to put your name at the gate.
Yeah.
So, and the guy asked me, okay, what's your friend's name?
Oh, no.
Yeah, and I go Sharath, S-H-A-R-A-T-H. He's like, okay, so Sharach?
Thank God you didn't say carrot.
Carrot?
Yeah, carrot would be like...
Congrats on the new car, bro.
Thank you, man. Thank
Yeah,
you.
really
Thank you.
nice.
It's
really-
nice, no?
Yeah, 2011 Land Cruiser.
It's not the 2011 Land Cruiser.
I know. It's a Defender. I know. Congrats, very sick, bro.
Thank you.
I love it.
I like the sunroof. Check this out. It just keeps going and going and going and going. Still going.
Yeah, it's really cool. A nice color combo too, bro.
It is. Man.
Very nice, very nice.
Thank you.
Check this guy out. What's up with the grass and the chains? And we're here. This is the legend behind KAYU.
So we have here our new creation for the next month. It's called Ron cake. It's like coated with milk chocolate and hazelnut. And we have 1, 2, 3 layers of hazelnut, different texture. The creamy, ganache, crunchy, and then the sponge to have nice structure in the palate.
Wow,
Lovely.
looks amazing. Can't wait to try it.
Yeah. And then all is coated in one bite. So basically, انت عم تسوق السيارة فيك تاكلها. See? It doesn't make your hand dirty. This is a concept.
Yeah.
Like a sandwich.
Yeah.
Like how the ice cream.
Ice cream sandwich.
Exactly. So this is a concept. It's easy for transportation.
These are fresh chocolate croissants being rolled as we speak. And this is the final result. Even the packaging is just amazing. They made this for Valentine's Day because you deserve it.
شوف مقاطع الكيك.
This is all about the details.
طلع جديد.
Look at how perfect this looks, guys. And just closes so perfectly magnetic.
This is a gluten-free chocolate cake
Okay.
with almond, of course, almond flour. So instead of using whole wheat flour, we use almond powder. And I use here a chocolate that's called P125 from Madagascar. It's concentrated 80% cocoa. Very dark. So it's not sweet at all.
Okay. We're about to try this right now. So guys, if you want anything from KAYU, you have to order on their website, which I'm gonna link in my profile too for you guys to order. I just sliced it up, have to take everything in one bite.
Very good.
Really good. It's amazing.
We're gonna take it like that, and
Wow.
we have here the millefeuille. We have chocolate eclair, 70% from Venezuela, single origin. We have salted caramel eclair. We have chia seed chocolate tart, vanilla tart, tiramisu roll cake, and pistachio gluten-free raspberry dessert.
Wow, this looks amazing. Yeah.
It's amazing.
There we go. هيدي كمان الثانية نفس الشيء.
Thank you so much, chef.
Pleasure, always pleasure to make you happy.
Thank you. You see what I mean about presentation and the quality? Everything is just top notch. This is what we saw earlier where they were making it live. Look at how it is from the inside. Just beautiful. Wow. And off we go. That was just epic. What do you say, Sharath?
Very good. Very, very good.
Crazy guys. I'm gonna put their link in the description below. Check them out. Guys, check out this beautiful skyline we have here. Not the Nissan Skyline, I mean the Dubai Skyline. Just beautiful. This view just looks unreal. Thanks for dropping me off, homie.
Take it easy, man.
Catch you later, man.
For sure, bro.
I just got home and I'm gonna save this right here to have later with my dad, and now to unbox some sneakers. First up, we have the Nike Dunk in the black and white Panda colorway. Now what's really cool about the sneaker, they did release a full family size run, so I did manage to cop one for myself and kids too. And next up, we have the Pink Pig, which over here, they called it the Atomic Pink during release. This is such a simple and easy color to wear. It's like a peachish pink color with awesome material. It's like a suede kind of material. Really cool, and can't wait to rock these very soon. And next up, we have the Nike Dunk High in the white and gray colorway, which honestly, this reminds me of the 85 neutral gray that still actually hasn't released in Dubai. It's yet to be released, but this I feel like is the Dunk version of that sneaker, which is really cool and easy to wear too. And for the last Nike Dunk Low I'm showing you today is the gray and red colorway. This is, I believe, is a UNLV colorway, which is the University of Nevada colorway, which is really cool. This actually looks very close to the off-white Dunks that released, minus the extra laces that came around the sneakers. I believe that was a red and gray if I'm not mistaken. Really cool colorway, and we've seen a lot of people take those laces off, so this is pretty much the sneaker without the laces. And last but not least, we have the Jordan 6 Carmines. Now these just recently dropped. I believe there were fights in the US for this specific sneaker, and I totally understand why. This is such a nice, beautiful sneaker. Definitely an OG sneaker, and I do believe they use better materials on this than the previous one they released. This right here is a comparison. This is the 2014 Carmine. As you can tell already, mine has already yellowed because it's been 7 years. But yeah, if I put them side by side, I believe by just touching the leather, I think they use much better materials on the newer pair than the older one. Usually we've seen with sneakers that the recent pairs are not as good quality as the previous OGs that they've released, but for this sneaker, I think they did a better job with the newer one. And if you guys see these around for retail, make sure you guys cop these. These won't last on shelves, and these are an OG, so it's gonna sell out pretty fast if it hasn't already. And check out the difference on the bottom on how old this one aged. Now I can't remember if this was just a clear bottom or an icy bottom, but if it was an icy bottom, it's far different from this right here. And now to show you guys a better look of the sneaker. you guys enjoyed this episode, make sure you guys smash the like button and let me know what you guys think in the comments. And if you guys are not subscribed, make sure to subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you guys very soon.